The Redmi Note 5 Pro from Xiaomi has proven that it's a great smartphone, not just critically but also commercially. However, what if you want something more unique and your budget is a bit higher? Will the Nokia 7 Plus keep you happy? This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's find out. Let's start with the displays. They're both 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio IPS panels with Full HD Plus resolution. They also have Corning Gorilla Glass for protection, and while Xiaomi doesn't reveal which version it's running, Nokia states that it's Gorilla Glass 3. Both are very similar in terms of the sharpness as well, but our pick is the Nokia 7 Plus display, which we found to be not just brighter but also more suited to an outdoor environment, as its sunlight legibility was marginally better. The colors seem more natural on the 7 Plus, while the Note 5 Pro did seem a bit more saturated. While the Note 5 Pro itself is a well-built and premium feeling smartphone, it doesn't hold a candle to the build quality that the Nokia 7 Plus possesses. The Note 5 Pro feels solid and the curved back is easy to grip. It does feel like it can withstand a drop or two, and at the price, it's hard to expect much better build quality. The Nokia 7 Plus feels more robust and also chunkier, despite being just 2 grams heavier and having a slimmer frame, but that's mostly due to the flat sides, which also house a brilliant chamfered copper bezel that feels great to hold and grips well. The soft touch matte back cover is also very nice to use. Both pack similar but slightly different battery capacities and features. The Note 5 Pro packs in a 4000 mAh battery that gives over 7 hours of screen on time with a single charge, while the Nokia 7 Plus with its 3800 mAh battery manages around an hour lesser. But one major advantage that the Nokia 7 Plus has is the 18-watt fast charging with the bundle charger over its Type-C port that tops the device from 15% to 100% in 1.5 hours, compared to a Redmi Note 5 Pro that takes almost an hour longer. Some people also may not be fans of the Note 5 Pro's micro USB port. The Note 5 Pro is currently on Android 7.1.1 Nougat with MIUI 9 on top, while the Nokia 7 Plus is an Android One device that is currently running on stock Android 8.1 Oreo. This means that it'll be both faster to receive updates as well as be more assured of major upgrades than the Note 5 Pro, which already is running a dated version of Android. Both have fingerprint scanners at the back that are always active, but we found the Nokia 7 Plus to be a bit slower due to the latency between fingerprint recognition and unlocking. The Note 5 Pro also has Face Unlock, which currently isn't available on the Nokia 7 Plus but is expected soon. Both the smartphones feature dual camera setups at the back but in different implementations. The Note 5 Pro has a 12 megapixel primary sensor with f2.2 aperture, 1.25 micron pixel size, along with a secondary 5 megapixel f2 depth sensor with 1.12 micron pixel size, while the Nokia 7 Plus has a 12 megapixel f1.8, 1.4 micron pixel size primary camera and a secondary telephoto 13 megapixel camera with 1 micron pixel size f2.6 aperture and 2x optical zoom. At the front, there's a 20 megapixel f2.2 sensor on the 5 Pro, while the Nokia 7 Plus has a 16 megapixel f2 sensor, and both the phones have 1 micron pixel size. The Nokia 7 Plus has the added benefit of having Zeiss branded optics all around. We'll be doing a full-fledged camera comparison of both the devices soon, but until then, here are some samples to help you understand what to expect. In terms of performance, synthetic benchmarks may show that the Nokia 7 Plus has a lead due to a superior Snapdragon 660 chipset with 4 GB of RAM. But in daily use cases, the difference is negligible, and we were able to do much of the same heavy lifting even with the Note 5 Pro and a Snapdragon 636 along with 4 GB of RAM. The Note 5 Pro and 7 Plus both feature hybrid dual SIM slots, and the 64 GB of storage is expandable, but only the Note 5 Pro has a 6 GB RAM variant. Audio quality is pretty much similar on both when it comes to a loudspeaker. Both offer mono experiences but with loud outputs that's sufficiently clear. But in terms of audio from the headphone jack, the Note 5 Pro seems to do a much better job. The Note 5 Pro and Nokia 7 Plus are as similar as they are different. The overall experience on both are really great, and it's tough to go wrong with either one. If you want quick updates, more processing power, better build quality and a slightly better screen, the Nokia 7 Plus might justify the higher asking price. But if you're looking for the maximum bang for buck and wanted something that has a longer lasting battery as well as more RAM for your multitasking needs, then the Note 5 Pro provides all of that and more at a cheaper asking price. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.